How to use Zalando promo codes online. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Tap in Zalando promo code and search for it. First up, I'm gonna show you guys how to get Zalando promo code. Using any of these websites, you can easily get a working promo code for Zalando. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open this one website, shopper.com. You can also try this one website, as on this website, you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Zalando. Now I can go ahead and grab any of the offer, click on show code. With that, you're going to get the code for that offer. Now I can copy the code and head towards the website of Zalando. Open a new tab and then type in zalando.com. You'll be directed to the official website. Once you're in the website, log into your account and make your purchase. While in the checkout page, you'll find this section of code. Audio paste your code and confirm your purchase. With that, the code will be redeemed. So this way you can easily redeem your Zalando promo code. Well, that's a wrap for this video. I hope now you guys are clear about how to use Zalando promo codes online. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.